Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with a little I guess I should say Happy Mail unboxing. I don't know what to call it, maybe because it was a gift. So my crafty bestie Amy, who is Crafty Chaos here on Instagram and on YouTube, gifted me this I believe it's Ali Edwards Stories by the Month. I believe it's October, I'm assuming, because it's like got October colors. It's got these cute floral print. So I thought, you know what, why not make a little video out of this, because I want to use this for my October Memories album. So I'm going to go ahead and open up with you guys. And so it was really sweet of her to give to me. Thank you, Amy. Love ya, love ya. So, okay, so that's the envelope. Here's a kit. It's got some alphas in it. It's cute. I love the size of those. It comes with some ephemera or die cuts, whatever you want to call it. I like that it has all these stars. So we got some stars in different colors, different shades. I like the hues, and all these are all pretty fall colors. We got some of these little, I don't know what these are called. They look like, kind of like, well, they're labels like arrows. I don't know. It says This October Moment. So these are all October moments. So I guess I could put these to document my month. And here's this cute little moth and some bats. It's got that Halloween, but not like, it's like a slight, you know, feel, but not like, I don't know. The colors are really pretty. I love the different mauves and greens and oranges and yellows. This is cute, little teapot, cozy vibes. Make a wish. I love this pumpkin, so cute. And then remember this, and it comes in different shades. So that's cool. So those are the die cuts. Cute, cute. I love the stars. If I can get it. Okay. The alphas, and these are some, I believe, 4x6 and 3x4s. Looks like these are transparencies or vellum pieces, I guess I should say. Adore This Season. Ooh, that's pretty. I like how it has the dark color on the bottom in different colors, orange, black, and yellow. And it's got Hello October Stories. I can't even talk, guys. Here's a number 10 for the month of October. Autumn is a second spring where every leaf is a flower. That's a pretty saying, a pretty quote. And I love this. October, October, October. Super cute. And then here I have it in a 4x6 form. So there's October. Memory is the treasury and guardian of all things. Love that. And then here's October Magic. I already know what I'm going to use this for. That's cool. I love that gold and embossing or print. And here's this muted mauve color, looks like. I don't know if it goes this way or this way. Either way, that's cute. And then here's ones in the different colors, the different shades. And then this pretty floral print. I love this. I think I would use this like for a pumpkin patch. I think I'm going to use that for the pumpkin patch. Really cute. I love all these vellum pieces. That'll be a nice touch in my album. And then now goes the journaling cards. Oh, it also comes with some, what are these, like stickers or card or chipboard pieces, I should say. I don't know if they're stickers, but definitely chipboard pieces. Oh, October, doing October things currently, October challenges and successes. Love you, love you. This is what I want to remember, memories. Here for all these magical October moments, and another love you, and I love that. Green little polka dot embellishment. I don't know what else to call it. spot. Let me get some scissors. Get this open. There we go. I don't want to rip the cards in there. I can't get the plastic. Okay, there it goes. Phew. Okay. So here are some 3x4s. Deep breaths in this chapter. I feel like that's how my October's been. It's been crazy busy. Nothing is ever really lost to us as long as we remember it. Isn't that the truth? Remember this and that pretty floral print. And then what I love about October, short story. That's in green and that's in black. Wondering if there's another color here. I feel like there's another card back here. Oh yeah, there is. I don't think that's a brown. I feel like dark green, black, and brown. That's what I think those colors are. Details and more details. I love these. I forget what these are called, like the dandelions. Once they flowers fall and then they just, I don't know what these things are called, but those things. I love those, that print is currently, sorry, that's my doggy coughing or sneezing. Making memories, telling the story. Here's more of that floral purple print. That's pretty, those two colors together. October looks like this and this. Here for all of it. I love that. Maybe I could do that. Also, pumpkin patch. Savoring and celebrating. And this season. And I love that pumpkin in the background. I like pretty brown. Super cute. I love all of these. Thank you, Amy, once again, for thinking of me and gifting this to me. I'm definitely going to use it all. So, yeah. I'm hoping to upload a video on my first story here in a bit. So, stay tuned for that. And thank you guys again for watching. I'm not sure if they have any more of these kits, but head on over to Ali Edwards' website to order yours if that's something that you like. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.